Hi, welcome to story time today. Today our theme is books. At the library we have lots of books. So we're going to start off with our hello song. We clap and sing hello, we clap and sing hello. With our friends at story time we clap and sing hello. We wave and sing hello, we wave and sing hello. With our friends at story time we wave and sing hello. We stomp and sing hello, we stomp and sing hello. With our friends at story time we stomp and sing hello. Good job. Next we're going to do the itsy bitsy spider. You ready? The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again. Okay, our first book today is called I Like Books, and it's by Anthony Brown. And it's read with the permission of Dragonfly Books, and that's part of Alfred A. Knopf. I like books, funny books, and scary books, fairy tales and nursery rhymes, comic books and coloring books, fat books and thin books, books about dinosaurs and books about monsters, counting books and alphabet books, books about space and books about pirates, song books and strange books. Yes, I really do like books. The end. The next thing I have is a flannel board that's really not a flannel board. It's called 5 Little Books, and it goes like this. 5 little books sitting on a shelf. Look inside and see a little elf. This book is called The Oldest Elf. It's one of our Christmas books. 4 little books, all in a row. Look inside. Uh-oh, what do you think this one's about? It's starting to snow. This would have been a good book to read yesterday. 3 little books sitting on a shelf. Can you take one and read it to yourself? This is one of our easy readers. It's about outer space. 2 little books left in a pile. Can find one now and read it with a smile. This one's about a hippopotamus's smile. 1 little book, all that is there, found itself a reader who was happy to share. And this book is about Bear in the Big Blue House and his 2 little friends who are sharing their teddy bear. You can also share a book. The next thing I have is another story. And it's called A Perfectly Messed Up Story, and it's written by Patrick McDonnell, and it is read with the permission of Little Brown and Company. This is Louie's story. Once upon a time, little Louie went skipping merrily along. Tra-la-la-la-la, he sang. For in his heart, Louie knew everything was just... Hey! Hold on. What's that? Sniff, sniff. Lick, lick. A jelly stain? How did that get there? This isn't right. Who would eat a jelly sandwich while reading my book? Plop. Jelly and peanut butter. Ah, the chunky kind. Hey, hey, hey! Somebody's fingerprints are all over this. Oh no! What next? Orange juice! Ah, my story is getting all messed up. We need to show some respect here. Books are important. They teach us stuff, and they inspire us. Now, can I please get on with my story? Thank you. Okay, from the top. Once upon a time, little Louie went skipping merrily along. Tra-la-la-la-la, la. You've got to be kidding! This is awful! Quick, get a paper towel! Careful, careful! Ah! This is the worst thing ever! What am I going to do? Once upon a time, stop, forget it. My story's ruined. It's all over. I'm just a messy old book that will end up in some garage sale. A book no one will ever want, read, or love. I give up. Go on without me. This is Louie's story. Who cares? Once upon a time, little Louie went skipping merrily along. Tra-la-la-la-la, he sang. Oh, life was much simpler back then. For in his heart, Louie knew everything was just what? Just what? Fine. Wow, everything is fine. I'm still here, you're still reading, and it is a pretty good story, messes and all. So come on, let's finish this. This is Louie's story. I love it, and nothing is going to stop me. The end. This is what most of my books at home look like. Next is our literacy tip this week is creating books together. And you can do that by using photos that you take of your family members and just writing some text below them, or you can cut pictures out of magazines or catalogs, or you can make color books and use crayons or markers or paint. And as your child gets older, you can have them dictate the story to you, and then they can draw pictures to go along with it. And you can also stop by the library in the atrium. We have a free little library, so you can get lots of books out there that you can use the pictures out of also. The next thing I have is another flannel board, and it is called 5 Little Books, just like the first one. Oh, here, hang on. Let's put these down. Okay, 5 little books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little books at the library. 5 little books as great as could be. Along came Sophia with her library card to take one home and read. Which one should Sophia take? Let's take the spooky one. What do you think is inside it? Oh, a ghost! Oh no! 4 little books at the library. 4 little books as great as could be. Along came Oliver with his library card to take one home and read. Which one will Oliver take? The silly one? Let's see what's inside. Oh, it's a moose with a mustache. 3 little books at the library. 3 little books as great as can be. Along came Liam with his library card to take one home and read. Which one should Liam take? The adventure book? It's a book about pirates. 2 little books at the library. 2 little books as great as can be. Along came Ava with her library card to take one home and read. Ava's going to take the fantasy one. What do you think's inside it? Oh, a magic wand. Maybe a book about a fairy godmother or a wizard. 1 little book at the library. 1 little book as great as can be. Along came Noah with his library card to take one home to read. What do you think this one's about? Outer space. Oh, there's a rocket inside. We have lots of different books at the library. Our last story is called Interrupting Chicken. This book is called Interrupting Chicken, right, Papa? Yes. Now, please don't interrupt the story. And it was written by David Ezra Stein. and it's written with the permission of Candlewick Press. And this is one of our books that talk. Okay, Interrupting Chicken. It was bedtime for little red chicken. Okay, my little chicken, said Papa. Are you ready to go to sleep? Yes, Papa, but you forgot something. What's that? Asked Papa. A bedtime story. All right, said Papa. I'll read one of your favorites. And of course, you're not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you? Oh no, Papa, I'll be good. Hansel and Gretel. Hansel and Gretel were very hungry. Deep in the woods they found a house made of candy. Nibble, 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 they began to eat the house, until the old woman who lived there came out and said, What lovely children! Why don't you come inside? They were just about to follow her when... Out jumped a little red chicken, and she said, Don't go in! She's a witch! So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. Chicken! Yes, Papa? You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved. I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch. Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep. Let's try another story. I'll be good. Little Red Riding Hood. Take this basket of goodies to Grandma, said Little Red Riding Hood's mother, but don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger. Little Red Riding Hood skipped along through the deep woods. By and by she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was just about to answer him when out jumped a little red chicken, and she said, Don't talk to strangers. So Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end. Chicken! Yes, Papa? You did it again! You interrupted 2 stories, and you're not even sleepy. I know, Papa, I'm sorry, but he was a mean old wolf. Yes, now get back into bed. Okay, Papa, let's try one more little story, and I'll be good. Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She was just about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everyone on the farm the sky was falling when out jumped the little red chicken, and she said, Don't panic, it was just an acorn. So Chicken Little didn't. The end. Chicken! Yes, Papa, you did it again. Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please read one more story, and I promise I'll fall asleep. But Chicken, said Papa, we're all out of stories. Oh no, Papa, I can't go to sleep without a story. Then, said Papa, yawning, why don't you tell me a story? Me tell a story? Said the little red chicken. Okay, Papa, here we go. Bedtime for Papa by Chicken. Once there was a little red chicken who put her papa to bed. She read him 100 stories and even gave him warm milk, but nothing worked. He stayed wide awake all Papa? Good night, Papa. The end. The last thing that we have is our craft, and it is a bookworm bookmark. And the kit comes with all of the circles and glue dots and eyes, and you just need to provide the glue stick or liquid glue to glue the circles together, and a marker or a crayon to make his mouth. And then if you want, you can write your name on the bookmark or anything, any decorations that you want to do, you can add to it. And you can pick that up either at the drive-through window or in the atrium. And the last thing we have is our goodbye song. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We wave goodbye like this. We clap our hands for all our friends. We wave goodbye like this. We'll have a special story time next Tuesday for Christmas. Thanks for stopping by.